Why hello people of YouTube. Okay, so basically I've been making videos for more than a year now, and at this point I figured out that it's pretty hard to do. It's not really the filming that gets me as much as it is like the editing. And I figured out how to fix that problem by getting a new editing software. But I basically found out that no matter the quality of my editing software or however many cameras I have, it's not going to affect the quality of my videos too much. So the kinds of videos that you can expect from me are like vlogs like this, just sitting in front of a blank wall, or like sometimes action videos. If you look back at my really old videos, they're all action videos, and that wasn't very exciting. They weren't really action. Anyway, I started out making YouTube videos for the point of getting famous, but now that I've realized that it's really hard to do, I'm just going to kind of make the best videos I can, like I said, and hope that people come and subscribe to me. You know, that's a good hope. So I don't want to take up too much of your time, so I'm gonna end the video. Yay! Bye. What a weird way to end a video.